Hello everyone, my name is Sonali Chaungad. Today I am presenting a topic maintenance of genetic purity during seed production under the guidance of Dr. R.P. Joshi sir. Genetic purity is maintained by avoiding cross pollination in seed crop and mixture of seed of other varieties in produced seed lot. Important safeguards for maintaining genetic purity during seed production these are: control the seed source. The seed used for sowing of an appropriate class should be purchased from an approved source. For raising the seed crop is necessary. Four classes of seed, namely breeder seed, foundation seed, registered seed, and certified seed, are generally recognized in seed certification. Seed of notified variety are multiplied in four-tiered system by the involvement of ICR Institute, State Agricultural University, State and National Seed Corporation, and seed certification agencies. As per Seed Act 1966, only 3-generation seed multi-application from breeder seed is permitted. In India, 2-seed multi-application chain may be permitted. Scheme 1 breeder seed, foundation seed 1, foundation seed 2nd, certified seed. Scheme 2 breeder seed, foundation seed, certified seed 1, certified seed 2. Generally, foundation seed stage 2 is only grow when shortage of breeder seed is reported. Breeder seed, it is a progeny of nucleus seed and used for production of foundation seed. Foundation seed, it is progeny of breeder seed and used for production of certified seed. Certified seed, it is progeny of foundation seed and used for sowing of certified seed. Second, preceding crop requirements. This has been fixed to avoid contamination through volunteer plant and also from soil-borne disease. During selection of seed field for seed production, it is required that seed field should be free from volunteer plant. From that, it is necessary that in previous season the same crop should be not grown in this field. If grow, the seed production of same variety and one higher category should be taken. Isolation. Isolation means to keep the seed crop away from the source of genetic contamination. Contamination may be due to natural outcrossing with other varieties grown in adjoining field, off-type plants present in seed field, mechanical mixture at the time of sowing, harvesting, threshing, seed processing and handling of seed lot, soil-borne disease, plant present in seed field and nearby field may also prevented. Protection from these sources of contamination is necessary to maintaining genetic purity and good quality of seed. Rogging of seed field, removal of off-type plant, rock plant and seed-borne disease plant from seed field to maintain the genetic purity intact is known as rogging. Off-type plant means a plant in seed crop which deviate in agronomical characteristics from normal plants. Rock plant is a plant which differ from distinguished morphological features of shown variety. The rogging of seed field is a regular and important operation of seed production, so it is done by trained labor at different stage of crop growth. Seed certification. The seed certification is legally sanctioned system for quality control during seed production. The seed certification is done by trained person of seed certification agency known as assistant seed certification officer. Foundation and certified seed production are taken in direct supervision of seed certification agency. They do field inspection, supervision of seed processing plant, seed sampling if seed lot processed required standards, they issued the tags for packing and tagging. Minimum seed certification stands are fixed, in which the general seed certification standards are common for all the crops. Specific crop standard for seed certification is classified into field standards and seed standards. Grow out test is genetic purity test of seed lot on plant basis. The varieties being grown from seed production should be periodically tested for genetic purity by grow out test to make sure that they are being maintained in their true form. It is done by seed testing laboratory in their grow out test farm with the help of crop breeder. Thank you.